Injection molding is a cutting-edge manufacturing process that involves injecting molten material, typically thermoplastics or thermosetting polymers, into a carefully crafted mold cavity. This cavity, created using advanced CAD, CAM software, and precision machining techniques, serves as a blueprint for the final product. Injection molding ensures accuracy, repeatability, and versatility in shaping complex designs with intricate details and tight tolerances. Injection molds consist of two main parts, the mold cavity and the mold core. The mold cavity defines the external shape of the product being manufactured, while the mold core determines its internal features. The molten plastic material is injected into the mold cavity under high pressure, where it solidifies, conforming to the shape of the mold. Once the plastic has cooled and solidified, the mold is opened and the finished product is ejected. Injection mold technology enables high-volume production, resulting in economies of scale and lower per-unit costs. Additionally, the repeatability of the process minimizes scrap and waste, optimizing material usage and reducing overall production expenses. Injection molds find wide-ranging applications across various industries, including automotive, electronics, medical devices, consumer goods, and more. From intricate parts in electronic devices to robust components in automobiles, injection molds cater to a diverse range of manufacturing needs. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.